This is a new trailer. It seems he went back to the old drum system. In the new trailers, they put disc brakes. This one looks like a brand new trailer with drums. And it has a system called tire inflation system. What does the tire inflation system do? It has a handle here. It has inlet, outlet, I guess. And some new designs. So from here, those are these are air cables. That is electrical cable, I think, activation. That comes from the compressor, and those will go to the distribution is different. It's a long story, but at the end, you will have air coming here at the center, penetrating the drum, that whole axle, going through here, and going to the tires to inflate the tires. You can tell that they return it back to the drums, and they put the calipers, the drum cylinders, along the frame of the trailer. Those are the old designs with the same S-cam that spreads the drums to activate the brakes. So we are going back to the drums now. That's interesting. While they're doing that, they were able to invest the money on making pneumatic landing gear that can be automatic instead of having the driver cranking by hand the landing gear. They are doing innovation, but in the wrong place. Maybe that the drums are better than the discs. The drums have a problem. The snow accumulates on them because they are horizontal. The surface of the friction is horizontal. So the snow accumulates on them and they can freeze in winter. The discs are vertical. But here is a different story. Okay, so they do have the tire inflation system here. That's the old one. But the drums here are across. And they're using disc brakes, not drums. I thought that would be the trend, having disc brakes. I thought they will change that forever. Maybe different manufacturer and different mindsets. When it is horizontal and across in a transverse position, when when the cylinder are in transverse position, you avoid the snow, accumulation of the snow. And if you look at the disc, it's very hard to get the snow to freeze the disc against the calipers because they are vertical.